Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Araceli. If you guys aren't subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. Also, if you guys would like to be notified anytime I make a video, please hit the bell up on top to let you know anytime I make a future video. I don't think I have done a video like this before. Share with you guys brushes that I use on a daily basis, and I feel like anyone and everyone should have these brushes in their makeup brush collection. So if you guys would like to see what brushes I use and that you guys need in your life, then just keep watching. It's this Real Techniques contour brush. I love the packaging so much. It's super pretty. It has like the rubber on the bottom. It's super fluffy. And I actually use this for my highlighter, just to get up in here. As you guys can see, my highlighter is on fleeky. I just love Real Techniques in general. I feel like they're super affordable brushes. You have a nice grip to hold. Just like the feel that's super soft. Another Real Techniques brush, it's by the same collection. This is a buffing brush, but I actually use this as my contour. I feel like it just gets it really good. I love these so much. I feel like anyone and everyone should have Real Technique brushes because they're so bomb. I think they still have these, I'm not too sure. I'll link it down below. Like, the hair on these are so soft, and I washed them so much and they're still super soft. They're not like, you know, how should I say, they're not rough on your face or anything like that. They're very gentle on the face. Next brush I want to talk about, it's by Sigma. I talk about them all the time. I know they're a little bit on the pricey side, but you know what, you guys? Sigma is amazing. Their brushes are so bomb. It's black and silver. This is a flat kabuki F80 flat, perfect for foundation. Bristles on this is super soft. Like I said, I have also washed this plenty of times and I had them for so long already, and it's still super soft. It's not harsh on your face either. It's a great brush. Also a foundation brush. It is by Crown Brushes. It is a C452 brush. I really like Crown brushes. They're more affordable than Sigma, so if you guys are looking for more of a dupe, and it's just perfect for liquid foundation. I don't recommend it for powder foundation, but for liquid, I totally recommend it. And this is also a Crown brush. This is the angled brush, the C104 brush. I like it because, as you guys can see, it's angled to the side. And I like using this for my loose powder. I dip it in and I just get right underneath the eyeballs, really good. I just like it for setting powder. Brushes that are meant for specific things, like for contouring, for blush, for foundation. But sometimes you don't need to follow exactly what it says. Like, for example, this one is an angled brush. I'm sure it's used for blush, but I use it for my translucent powder. I just feel like it works better. It's smaller. It does shed. Super fluffy. I like it. It works super good. It leaves your application super bomb. Portable dupe brushes like Sigma, I recommend Crown brushes. Wet n Wild vegan cruelty free brush. I actually picked this up at Dollar Tree. They freaking had these. I don't know if they still do, but I would check your local Dollar Tree store and see if they have them. But I use this for blush, as you guys can see. But I like it for only $1. I like that it's white, and then it has like white at the bottom with a little bit of hint of pink at the top. Super soft. I'm really surprised for Wet n Wild brushes because you know, sometimes the cheaper your brushes are, they don't work as good. But I really like this Wet n Wild brush. So go check your local Dollar Tree because you might find them. And you guys need this in your collection. You can never have too many brushes. What I want to talk about are for the eyes, Crown brushes. This is the C455 brush. As you guys can see, it's a little baby kabuki brush. And I mainly use this for my under eye concealer under my eyeballs. It just works super good. It's super soft. This one has not shed on me at all. It gets the job done. And of course, here I go with another Sigma brush. This is the Tapered Blending E35. As you guys can see, this is a super tapered-y up here. Tapered-y. Tapered at the bottom, and then it goes smoothly like tapered up. And the bristles are super duper soft. As you guys can see, they're soft. This is literally my holy grail brush when I do my eyeshadow. I get into that crease and it just blends the shadow so freaking bomb. I literally need to get another backup of this. Always use this in every tutorial. This Bare Minerals coverage concealer brush. So it's just a straight flat brush. I like that it's super short and cute. Guys, I use it mainly to carve my eyebrows out and just clean them up. Okay guys, so that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.